Welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving away my AI templates and guides for free.
Did you know in 2026, many people in the USA are making extra money using MBeginners? No coding, no big investment, just simple tools, smart ideas. To these are practical, no fake promises, only ideas that can actually pay. Let's start. Here we test AI money ideas so you don't waste their work. If you like easy AI income ideas, subscribe and let's begin.
Side hustle number 1. AI short-form video editing for small businesses. Many US businesses want to be on TikTok and YouTube, but owners often lack the time or skills to edit their own content. That's where you come in. You can use AI to edit these videos fast. No professional editing skills required. To start, pick a niche like gyms or realtors and find potential clients using Google Maps. Offer to turn their long footage into viral short clips. Use AI to automate the process and send them a sample. Once they see the results, offer a monthly service. It's that simple to start your AI automation journey.
Imagine a gym owner gives you a 20-minute video. AI turns it into 10 short clips. You charge $120 per month.
Side hustle number 2 of businesses. Naldi and Bispot do not how to build. You create simple, not offer.
How to start? Choose business type: dentist, salon, repair shop. Offer an AI chatbot that answers 24/7. Charge setup plus monthly fee. Use tools like Tidio AI or Chatbase. No coding needed. Build a dentist chatbot. Charge a setup fee plus $40. Let's say you build a chatbot for a dentist office. Charge a $150 setup fee and $40 a month for clients equals $400 a month recurring income. Realistic beginner income is $300 to $1,500 per month. People in the USA buy ready-made templates, resume templates, budget planners, study guides. AI helps you create them fast. Find popular ideas on Etsy. Ask AI to help create templates. Design using simple tools. Sell again and again. Here are some AI tools to use, including Canva Magic Design, Notion AI, and Gamma AI. You create a job resume template. The price is just $9. Sell 50 a month, that's $450. Best part? No shipping, no inventory.
Side hustle number 4, AI voiceover service that don't want to record their voice. You create AI voiceovers for them. How to start? Many YouTubers use voiceover style. AI voice die voiceserve die AI ziehen. The AI wants SU. Not a light gobs in a menu. 20 orders per week equals about $1,200 per month. Realistic beginner income is $200 to $1,000 per month starting out. With consistent effort, you can scale that to a full-time income. Side hustle number 5, AI product photo creation for online stores. Help sellers create images without expensive photo shoots. What it is for AI now creates product images without cameras. You help sellers make product photos using AI. How to start? Find small Shopify or Etsy stores. Use AI to create clean images, make lifestyle photos, sell image packages. For AI product photos, use Flare AI, Pebbly, and Photoroom AI. They create stunning visuals for your online store. A realistic beginner income is $250 to $50 a month.
In 2026, AI is not replacing beginners. AI is helping beginners start faster. Today we learned AI video editing, AI chatbot setup, digital products with AI voiceover service, and AI product photo creation. You don't need to start all 5. Pick one idea. Practice daily. Get your first small client, then grow step by step. No rush, no hype, just steady progress. If you want more tested AI income ideas, subscribe to Auto Revenue Lab. Comment below, which side hustle will you try first? And in the next video, we will test another AI money method live. See you in the next one.